So pay attention. This is how I'm going to get my cat to talk. Lisa. Lisa. Tina. Tina. Cindy. Tesla. Arabella. Arabella. Anna. Anna. You should have seen him. He was just talking. Trevor. Trevor. Scott. 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 Anna. Sandra. Cheryl. Cheryl. Audra. Audra. Linda. Janice. Jewel. Jewel. Shirley. Shirley. Ryan. Alex. Alex Trebek. Trump. Trump. Ivanka. Cindy. Cindy. Lisa. Lisa. Tesla. 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 Are you going to talk to me, Tesla? Wesley? I need a name that sounds like Cindy. Alice. 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 What was the Cheshire Cat's name? Mad Hatter. Walker. We responded to Walker. He came running. Betty. Lena. Mina. Tyler. Tyler. Hi, Tyler. Tyler. Nikolai Tesla. Nikolai Tesla. Nikolai Tesla. Tesla, baby. Come here, baby. Nikolai Tesla. Cindy. Cindy. You want a snack? Cindy, you want a snack? Oh, yeah, Cindy. Cindy, you want a snack? You like the name Cindy? Why do you like the name Cindy? You're not a girl. You're a boy. Cindy is not a boy's name. Cindy! Cindy, you want a snack? Cindy. 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 You want a snack? Cindy. Cindy. It responds to Cindy.
Were you Cindy in another lifetime?
Yeah, were you Cindy in another lifetime? I think you might have been a girl in another lifetime. But this one is definitely a boy. Let me hold him down so I'll show you guys. His balls. See his balls? They're right there. His balls. This is a boy. His name is Tesla. He's not a girl. He's not a girl. Look at the smiley face on his belly. You see it? And he's biting my freaking arm. Cindy. Do you want a snack, Cindy? Do you want a snack? Give me a snack, Steve. It's right there. You want a snack, Cindy? This is balls. Cindy, you want a snack? Tesla's got big balls. Big balls? He's got the biggest balls of them all. No? You want a snack? You behave. Hey, you want to eat? Wait. Eat snack. Yeah, I'll put some on this. put it back. Come here, Cindy. Snack. Snack, Cindy. Cindy's eating snacks. No, isn't the guy Tesla? Tesla. 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 That's his name, Tesla. But he responds to Cindy. I'm not changing his name, Cindy. It's Tesla. So that's all the show you guys get.